What's up guys, welcome to new Unreal Engine 5 video. Today we are checking out the free for the month assets for this month of July. We have amazing assets this month, so let's go ahead and check them out. So first of all, we have the big Niagara bundle, and this includes amazing Niagara effects which are just mind-blowing. Like, look at the crazy stuff that you can do. If you're gonna build a game, like for example a magical game, and you're gonna need a lot of these effects, this will come in very handy. It supports the latest version of Unreal Engine 5.2, so definitely check this one out. Next up we have the Bazaar, and I mean, if you are trying to build the next, Assassin's Creed merge, this is for you. Like, look at the quality of these assets right now. It's amazing. Like, look, like just with even these assets, you can build a whole level and have your next Assassin's Creed. Honestly, like, this is amazing. It really reminds me like in the Aladdin movie and something like that. I love it. Definitely check this one out. Like, come on, go quickly. Next up we have the Britters architecture office, and this again is an amazing photorealistic environment to build your sci-fi levels, I guess. I mean, this looks amazing. You can combine kind of a sci-fi and real world right now to build your levels. I mean, it reminds me also like in the aesthetic of the game Control, with all the reflections and so on. Like, it looks pretty cool, so check it out. Next up we have the Goblin Warrior modular pack, and this, I mean, just includes some really cool goblins that you can use in your games as your enemy or whatever you want. Honestly, check this one out too. And last but not least, we have the landscaping pack, and this will basically just include a lot of tools that you can use to build your levels and worlds, and you can import detailed terrain models very quickly to just create your world. And it supports the latest world partition tools, and it will just save you a lot of time. You can import things from satellite images, crazy stuff. So definitely check this one out too. And that's it guys. If you found this video helpful, I would really appreciate a like video and subscribe to my channel. I'll be linking all of this in the description, so check it out. Check out my Patreon and YouTube members for many benefits. Join my Discord server, follow me on my socials. And now, yes, with all that said, bye bye.